I was part of the infamous IML. I've been in, Epic. I've been in BE. In short, do you need a multi-level marketing company to trade? And the answer is no, nigga, you don't. At all, whatsoever. It's not necessary because what ends up happening is, one, the regular person doesn't know about trading. It's become a thing now because of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and people are talking about trading, and it's become a trend. So now more than ever, everybody's like, yo, trading. Then you have these multi-level marketing companies that's marketing, trading. You do not need a multi-level marketing company to trade. It is a false idea given for people that don't know any better, just like me, just like a lot of my students, just like everyone that's probably watching this video right now trying to figure out what the hell someone just DM'd them about and they typed in Forex on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to know my personal story about my experiences at these multi-level marketing companies, comment down below saying that we want to hear the story. If you don't know what multi-level marketing is, like a pyramid scheme. It's a Sue circle. You guys remember the Sue circles from freaking COVID? A Sue circle is basically when people pool money together and then bring people in to pull more money together, and it like comes in, and the closer you get to the inner circle is when you get cashed out. It's the same thing with multi-level marketing company. You pay the fee on a subscription, and then as you bring people to the company, you're pretty much making residual referral money from leveraging the company's assets, which is whatever they offer. So for example, IML, all these trading companies leverage trading and say, hey, trading is hard, right? We have educators that you can get on live calls with, take their trades, on top of learn while you earn, so you can just copy and paste signals. And they don't go over nothing besides what a lot pip, you know, the real basics, how to count the pips, and that's it. They spoon feed you information because if you get too much information, why the fuck do you need to stay there? They leverage all these products, all these harmonic scanners that haven't been updated in decades, all these indicators that still don't do their job right, because if they, you know, I'm getting frustrated talking about this shit because a lot of these aren't updated, and you're forced to pretty much, once you realize that the trading thing may not be working out, the person that signed you up sold you this dream. They don't know how to fucking trade. They're leveraging the educators that you have to run on their schedule to find out how to learn how to trade, get on their live calls and stuff like that, and getting all these old college kids that don't know any better to sign up, spend their money, and have to work on another person's schedule to make money. But in the meantime, earn residual income and bring people into this company you haven't even profited from. The craziest shit. It's genius. It's actually genius. But trading is about independence. Trading on your own time. When you really learn the skill, you trade on your own time. And it's a genius business model, but when you really want to learn how to trade, like I just said, it's about being independent, working on your own time, being your own boss. And you have these multi-level marketing companies that are just selling the dream, a dream that they're not even living their goddamn selves, lying. And people are investing into these things, losing money, diminishing their own name because they're bringing in their family members, their friends, into something they don't even know how to fucking do. And they're just not being honest about what the system is. I would respect multi-level marketing companies more if they just said, hey, we're a multi-level marketing company. You make money based on bringing people in, but you also have the chance to learn how to do this, and this is how we leverage our system. Versus when you come to me, you know what I'm saying? You reverse that. When you come to me saying, hey, you want to learn how to trade Forex? You want to learn how to trade crypto? All right, join. We got educators that do this, and the other. Okay, show me your results. They have no results because they're focused on building the team, exposing the opportunity to other people. But you're my mentor. How you fucking gonna teach me some shit and leverage some shit you haven't even tried doing? Yeah, let me teach you how to swim. You know, I'll get in the pool with you and teach you how to swim. Oh, you know how to swim? No. I'm gonna drown. You don't need a multi-level marketing company to trade, because it's the same idea of, you know that picture they say, how are you gonna teach a fish a monkey and, you know, giraffe, whatever, to climb the same tree. And for me personally as a mentor, I may have one particular style of trading, which is algo trading, but I have a variety of different algorithms and systems that have different strategies that pertains to every type of trader, right? Scalpers, you know, intraday, daily chart traders, binary options. In a multi-level marketing, there is no diversity. Everyone's running on the same program and being force-fed the same information that, you know what I'm saying? And it's all lies. If you even have a decent upline, they might know how to trade a little bit. They're definitely not a master trader because they see that they're making more money consistently, bringing people in. All these guys with big teams, you know, I'm referencing these Forex companies like IML and B because that's only multi-level marketers I've been a part of. And people idolize it. They're like cults, my nigga. They're cults. They try to leverage God and your mother. Is your mother still working? You should be working. You should be on the phones every day, all day. When do you have the time to trade? Because trading takes patience. You have to be on the charts, right? I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, look at these charts, do an open session call on my team. I'm still up at 12 to do the London session open. You know what I'm saying? When do I sleep? On top, I have to recruit people. And who is that benefiting? You or me? They on your ass all day, every day, so they have to work less. And pass it down. I joined IML and I hit P1000 in a week. I have a following. People trust my word, right? My word is my bond. So when I bring people into the situation I didn't know too much about and they weren't profitable and my name is attached to that, I have my own brand. People respect my word. I talk a lot of shit, but I don't talk out my ass. You know what I'm saying? People joined and signed up under me so quickly. I hit P1000 in a week, almost P2. But then I didn't understand the trading. I bought mad courses and I was learning more in the courses than I went from what I was sold on. You know what I'm saying? I was sold this, but I went out and looked for other sources of information that I actually learned from and profited from.
I bet your upline was happy as fuck. Look at this baller. Look at he just hit.
Yeah.
Using you as an example.
Mm-hmm.
And basically you did unknowingly what they could never do, which was harness a community genuinely that actually trusted you.
Yeah, literally. And that's what pissed me off the most because
hijacking your...
They just hijacked, and all they did... I'm going to do that in this next video, my IML story. But basically, they did not, and I repeat, did not give a fuck about trading. They just said, jump on this call, jump on this call, jump on this call. The signals that they did send out didn't hit stop, didn't hit TP. You know what I'm saying? I will lose money, but I'm making $1,000 a month for having 40 people under me. You know what I'm saying? And if you're a businessman and you know anything about business, that's pretty much 10% of what you're actually bringing in. You know what I'm saying? Any type of these referral situations. So stay away from multi-level marketing companies. You don't need them to trade. They're pretty much just capitalizing on the fact of your ignorance. And that's just the truth. That's not me calling you stupid. Ignorance is just not being knowledgeable what's going on. You know what I mean? If you have a nigga in your DMs talking about, hey guy, you know what I'm saying? We have a beautiful opportunity. Crypto market's booming. You know what I'm saying? I'm making so much money doing this. Would you like to jump on a call? You get on the call and then it's a freaking salesman that seems like he's on crack. Hey guys, you want to change your life forever? I can guarantee you results. Is your mother still working? Are you unhappy about your friends? Do you trust a salesman, bro? Any person that talks to me like that, I just don't listen to you. Anytime. They're capitalizing off of you. They're selling the dream. And my big thing is you're not keeping it gangster with me. You're selling me this, and I believed it at first because I thought, just like you're probably watching this video, that you needed to be in an MLM to trade. I didn't know what Forex was until IML. So, you know, the only good thing that came out of being an IML is that I got introduced to trading. But in the long run, unless you know that you're going to own that, you're a person that's just great with people. I have a friend that he's a great marketer. He loves connecting people, right? He will be great in the MLM. Fantastic in the MLM.
Technically, with any MLM.
Any MLM. MLM. That shit, yeah. Any one of them. Because he can leverage anything and sell it, and people trust him. And he don't lie. You know what I'm saying? You got these kids that are lying to people and don't give a fuck about their name. There's so much drama. It's like being in high school as well. Oh my God. Oh, the memories. It's like being in fucking high school. You know what I'm saying? You have grown ass niggas beefing with each other over the internet. You grown. If I'm 26. I'm about to do 26. Why am I listening to an 18-year-old about life? Giving me life advice? Life advice, bro. Little 18-year-old telling me what I need to do to be successful. Fuck out of here. Listen, dog. I'm gonna share. I had my team. I spoke to my team. I had a few members send them pretty much a testimonial of their experience here. They come from MLMs. She was on my team at IML, and she recently passed her FTMO challenge with me, and she was not profitable. Actually, all three of them, were on my team at IML this whole year. I ain't scoop them. They were on my recruit team. Like, they came and they saw that I left, and they came with me. And it's not that I was promoting. It's like they saw that I didn't leverage none of this shit, and I was actually teaching them, right? So it started there. But let's share the screen. So this is Yoel, Christopher, and Paul. Yoel, when I first started this journey, I did start in an MLM thinking I was going to learn how to trade. And it didn't take long for me to realize that these companies were about teaching you how to recruit people and rely on their products, whether it be an educator or apps, etc. I wasn't learning how to trade. When it came down to it, the question was always asked, what happens if this MLM fails? Did I actually learn the skill of trading, or did I just rely on copy and pasting? After I joined Money Moves Investments, I've been able to build the confidence to trade my own and learn different skills, from being intraday trader to scalping to binary options. This includes marking my own charts, analyzing markets, and understanding what you should and shouldn't be looking for. This was made easy with all the algorithms that work for different types of trading styles. Dalian for always being available and answering questions and giving us knowledge on how to actually trade and understand things. So I end this. If you want to recruit and market, join an MLM. If you want to learn how to trade, then no, you do not need an MLM. And also shout out Dalian King for being a real one and helping each and every one of us and team become amazing traders. Much love. And this is Christopher. For those who are thinking about getting yourself into a business of trading like this, grain of salt, not all of you will see success. I would personally say you do not need an MLM to jumpstart your Forex journey. To be frank, none of these MLMs have much to offer other than basic Forex tools that you can Google and YouTube for information on how Forex works. MLMs push recruitment hard because it's the only way you can create residual income, aka selling a dream that's not viable. Also, if your upline creates dating profiles to recruit people to increase the residual income, then it's a huge problem. In my experience, mine hilarious. And the only positive about MLM is, oh wait, nothing. So apparently his MLM, his upline and his MLM created dating profiles to market. Actually, no, I know like a lot of Tinder.
Says, like, swipe if you want to know about.
Yeah, that's funny. My experience here with Money Moves has been nothing short of great. You can actually learn here, and we're giving tools that help us perform in trading world, and it feels like a true family and not a bunch of fakes for $1. Creative freedom, trade ideas, new techniques, information sharing are encouraged. And trust me when I say we don't kick people out of groups because uplines make followers lose money. Cough, cough. An app that crashes every 6 seconds. We learn, grow, embrace each other like a unit. So before we get into that, I'll get into it in my IML story, but pretty much we've had people get kicked out of other groups because they share like screenshots of my algo or something, and they get kicked out for sharing stuff. And it's like, on a business aspect, I understand it, but my whole philosophy is,
what are you here for? Teach me.
Exactly. And people have made an enemy out of me when I'd probably be a better friend. You know what I'm saying? You'll make more money with me. And that's no arrogance attached. But if you know what I'm saying? Like, there's people in my chat right now, right? They have my algorithm. My algorithm's on TradingView. But some of them were like, yo, I made a mobile version of it. Another person will see that. I was like, no. I need you to use only my algo here. For me, I'm like, make a video, do a call with the team, record it. I'm putting that video in my course. You know what I'm saying? Why would I punish you for, one, making my life easier? You know what I'm saying? And two, sharing information that can help other people. You're helping me. You're an asset. So there's a lot of creative freedom. I just say don't sell other people's shit in my shit. You know what I mean? Don't be like, yo, join my free. Like, no, we don't do that. But If you come across information, if you watched a YouTube, you know what I'm saying? It could be any one of these guys. Like, yo, my man's Jackpot, or, you know, Swaggy, or any one of these guys. And you share it to my chat. I'm subscribed to them niggas too. You know what I'm saying? I missed that episode. What is he talking about? Let's talk about it. There's freedom. And I think restricting that, which is what happens in a lot of MLMs, and again, another video. I'm going to go off in that video. They feel more comfortable with you. And I think that's where a lot of MLMs or a lot of uplines fuck up at, because they think that, I mean, it's obviously a threat because they know the system don't work. They know it don't work. So if yeah, they're trying to herd you into this shit, and you sharing shit that works, it's a threat to. So, yeah. Paulie, I've learned so much coming into this company from an MLM-based platform. After jumping company to company, the thing they all had in common was pushing their products onto you so you could depend on them. After joining Money Moves, Dally made sure to emphasize independence through his knowledge and educational videos. After taking his course, there is no doubt in my mind you'll find clarity in the trading here. All right, so all that pretty much to let you guys know is not just me, right? That's how my students feel, and I try to keep that open for my students, right? Short story, you don't need an MLM to learn how to trade. You don't need an MLM to learn how to do anything. Like, there's MLMs that leverage credit repair. If you literally, he shook his head because he does credit and shit, but if you literally spend an hour on YouTube, you can find out how to do everything with credit repair, and it's so simple. It's so simple. Like, I'm not a credit expert, but it's really simple. You know what I mean? Copy and paste letters. That's it. And then everything you need to learn about credit cards is literally on the website. And just being smart on how to puzzle shit. That is it. Trading, there's literally, like, I probably tag the video just because I'm petty. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's an hour-long video on YouTube on Forex 101. Or was it the trading channel? Shout out them. You know what I'm saying? Like, baby pips, everything. It's a literally hour video of basic Forex, free, on YouTube. Type it in, Forex 101. There's like 3 videos that pop up.
If that one didn't do it, click the 2-hour one.
Facts, you know what I mean? So when it comes down to it, you don't need an MLM. And then when you're looking to learn how to trade, you know, I invest in a lot of different mentors and groups. And not to say that they were all trash, most of them just didn't click with me. And the one that did click with me, you know, siphoned me into another person that we're getting into, and he is what I learned the most from. So it's more so, what?
Talk about, because they always play the, oh, you're not going to invest in yourself? What is your take on that? Because you obviously invest in yourself and hit and miss.
Well, yeah, but that's anything. It's kind of like I'm a hooper, right? I'm a hooper first. It took a lot of hours, sacrifice. You hear all the cliche shit all the time. Right? It takes sacrifice. I didn't go to parties. I didn't do none of that shit. But that's investing in myself. You know what I'm saying? People are scared to put in money into information. I mean, when it comes to this trading shit, even basketball, there's basketball drills online for free. They talk about basketball plays online for free. Investing in yourself is discipline. In the financial world, when you actually want to learn a skill set from somebody that knows more than you, has results, you pay for that. Right? That's just how it goes. And people, for the most part, I don't think have a problem investing in themselves. They just do attach to their money. For me, I was blessed to be in a position where I just came from overseas and I had a little bit of chicken on me. You know what I mean? Literally, COVID happened. They sent my ass home and I had a little bit of bread. I was like, how do I flip this? And I was sitting in my bed and I was just like, well, this IML shit don't work. So who, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just always thirsty for knowledge. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you type in Forex and everybody pops up. Swaggy, Mamba, Jack. You're learning from all these people. Shout out them. You know what I'm saying? And you realize that all of it's the same. It's just how you execute that information, right? Just like anything in life. Majority of information in life is the same. It's just how you put it together for yourself, what works for you. And that's what trading is, right? It's a personality trait. All of it's the same. The market goes up and down. You just have to play buy and sell. Do you want to scalp it? Do you want to intraday? Do you want to hold? And how are you going to implement that strategy? One person's, I'm going to skip this trade, is another person's, I made $1,000 off this trade. It just depends on your strategy. Who did you learn from? Who made it make sense to you? Everyone got their own shit. It's a personality trait. Some people can't scalp. I can't scalp for shit. Too much anxiety. My system allows me to buy and hold, sell and hold. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to do. As long as this shit's green, I'm in the buy. If it's red, I'm in the sell. That's how I simplified it for myself. But like my students, I only had like 3 algorithms when I started this. Then I realized, yo, they really like scalping. I made a scalping algorithm. They really like intraday. I made an intraday algorithm. They like binary options. I don't trade binary options. I made a binary options algorithm. You know what I'm saying? It's a personality trait. What do you like? And who's going to cater to what you like? And that's just what it is. And multi-level marketing does not do that for you. So in short, multi-level marketing can suck my dick. Fuck you talking about. And you don't need them unless you want to be a marketer. If you're trying to learn a skill set, any skill set, you're trying to learn how to do credit, trade, fucking play a piano, you don't need a multi-level marketing company to do it. Unless you want to be a multi-level marketer. Simple as that. My name is Dallin King, and this is my TED Talk. Peace.
Don't need me no friends. Bag on my head and they wanted me dead, but you still see me with the roof of the Benz. My bitch is bad and bougie. Ain't but a back, she don't matter to me. Super big guns like it's Call of Duty. Say this shit means, but he ratatouille.